model, 2018 Peugeot Boxer 335 L3 diesel 2.0 BlueHDi H2 professional van 130 PS body, white, panel van mileage, 71,322 MOT. The 18th of September 2024 engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUD transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, none runner, engine has seized, will need engine replacement condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 3 former keepers, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, air-con, sat-nav EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, 9